Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Suresh. Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning.
You're able to see my screen?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So yesterday we have discussed about the functions, right? System functions.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Today we will start with joins. Okay. From here onwards, every topic will be like very important. So everything will be used in that daily day-to-day life. Okay.
Sure.
Just
Sure. Yeah.
please practice more on these topics. So today we are
Yeah.
going to discuss on joins. Okay. We have completed almost half of our things. Another half is there. We'll try to finish them as soon as possible.
Yes. Yeah.
So today we'll discuss about joins.
Yeah.
So why are we using joins? So is the first one. So joins are used to get data from one or more tables. Okay. So usually whenever we write a select query, so how many tables we're using there?
Sorry.
So whenever we write a select query, so how many tables are we using?
In select query.
Yes.
Yeah. One table only.
One table. Sure. That means we will be able to get data only from one table, right?
Yeah.
So, but whenever along with the select, so whenever we use the joins, so we will be
Okay.
able to get data from multiple tables, like as in one or more tables. Okay.
Got it. Got it. Yeah.
So we have multiple types here. So we have inner joins, left outer, right outer, full outer, closer. So these are the different types of joins that are available. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see about the inner join first. Okay. These are the two different tables I'm having. So one is the employee table and another one is the department table. Okay.
Okay.
The first one is the employee table, which has the details of the employee, like his employee ID, employee name, what is his
Yeah.
designation, who is his manager, when was he hired, what is his salary, what is his commission, and to which department he belongs to. Okay.
Okay.
So those are the details available in the employee table. Coming to the second table, the second table is the department table. So this table has the details about the department. Okay. So it has the
Yeah.
department ID, it has the
Department
department name,
and location.
and the department's location, wherever it is situated. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the two tables which are available. So here, so if you see in the employee table, I don't have the department name here. I
Yeah.
have only the department ID. So if I want to get department name instead of department number there, so I should use a join here. Okay. Any
Okay.
join. I'm just talking about joins. Okay. If I want to get department name along with the department number, so that means I want to get data from two tables in one query. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the case when we want to use joins here. Okay.
Got it. Got it.
So let's see how I can get department name also along with the department number for employees. Okay.
Okay.
So select star from EMP. So have I talked about alias names for columns? Hello.
Yeah.
So have I talked about alias names?
Yeah, yes, yeah.
Did we speak about alias names? Okay. You know about alias names, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So here for each table, so we are trying to have an alias names, or else we can directly take select staff and employee. Now we have to write inner join. Inner
Okay.
join DEPT table. Okay. So this is how we should use the inner join. Select star from one table, inner join, and another table name. Okay.
Okay.
The factor with which we are connecting both two tables is a common column. Okay. So based on a key column in both the tables, so we should be able to join both the columns. Okay.
Okay.
So here if you see, so what is the common column in both the tables?
A department number.
Department number is the common column in both the tables. Okay. So that would be the
Yeah.
key column. So based on that column, so we are going to join these two tables.
Okay.
Okay. So after writing this inner join, the second table name, we should write the on condition. So this is what we call it as a joining condition. Okay. So here
Okay.
you should write EMP dot DEPT number equals to DEPT dot DEPT number. What does that mean? This department number column is coming from employee table. Okay.
Yeah.
This department number column is coming from DEPT table.
Department table.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are trying to join both of them. Okay. So
Okay.
this condition, this on condition is called joining condition. Okay. Based
Got
on this
it.
joining condition only, so we will be joining these two tables.
Two tables.
Okay.
Okay.
Here. So let's see. So here we have taken our first table, we did the inner join and the second table, and we have given the on condition. Okay. Let's try to run this query. So if you see, I've got the same 14 records. So how many tables I'm having in employee table? 16 records, right?
Yeah.
How many records I've got here?
14.
14. So 2 records are missing. So we will discuss about them. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you see for every department number, it has given the department name. For 40 operations, 30 sales, 30 also direct sales, for 20 research, 30 sales, like this. Okay. For every department number available, so it has given the matching record. Okay.
Okay.
Do you understand the concept of joins here?
Yeah, yeah.
Any doubts?
No, no. Yeah.
Okay. So inner join means, so whenever you're performing inner join, so it will give you the matching records from both the tables. Okay. Whenever you
Okay.
try to join two tables based on inner join, so it will give you the matching records. Okay.
Okay.
See, department table is having 4 records, 4 departments. So 10, 20, 30,
Yeah.
and 40. Okay. But whenever if you see the employee table, it is having the records 50, it is having the department numbers 50 and 60 also.
Yeah.
Right. But 50 and 60 are not available in the department table. They are not available.
So it will take the same numbers.
Yeah. So whatever is available on both the tables, only those records will be given as a result. Okay.
Got it, yeah.
Got it. So that's
Yeah.
why you see, even though the employee table is having 16 records, whenever we do the inner join, it is giving us only 14 records. Why? Because the 15 and 16 records are having the department numbers that are not available in the department table.
Department table.
Okay. So inner
Okay.
join will give you only the matching records from both the tables.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Inner join will give you the matching records from both the tables, only the matching records. Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
Let's say 40 is not 40 also not available in the department table. So for the records which are having 40 also will not be shown in the result.
Okay.
Okay. Clear about inner join?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you see here, if you see this result set, from here to from first column to here, it is from table A, and from here to here is from table B, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
since I'm taking star, it has given me everything.
Okay.
Okay. So all the columns from
Got it.
both the tables, even though the column names are same, it doesn't matter. Okay.
Yes. Yes. One doubt.
Yes.
Before this, in the department table, we have only 5 values, right?
In the department table, we have 4 values.
Yeah, 4 values only, right?
Yes.
Then how we got 16 values in department name and location?
Yeah, let me tell you that.
Yeah.
See, what did the inner join will give? It will give you the matching records only, right? So let's
Yeah.
say for the first record, what is the department number?
40.
40, right? So 40 is available for us. So it will give us 40 operations Boston. Okay.
Okay.
See, for the first record. So for the first record, on based on what column we are joining the 2 tables based on
Department number.
based on department number column, right? So here
Yeah.
for table A is also having department number, table B also having department number. Okay, clear? So
Yeah.
let's check the first record. Okay. So for the first record, what is the department number? 40,
40.
right? So 40 is available in the department table also. So we have a match now. Okay.
Okay. So it will
We have a-
automatically take the
So
department
it
name and
will
location.
automatically take that. So if you see the first row here in the result, it will automatically display the matched record 40 operations Boston. Okay.
Yeah. Now I have got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Same as the second record. Second record, what is the second record? What is the
30.
department number? 30. So 30 also is available in the department table. So
So the
there is a
department
match
name.
again. So again, 30 will be displayed here. That particular record from the table B is displayed. Okay.
Okay.
Again, the third record also is having 30. So
So it
again,
will take.
we have a match. So it will take the same record and display against the third record. Clear?
Yes. Yeah. Clear.
So don't worry about the duplicates. You might see everything is duplicated here. That doesn't, it is not duplicates. We are just
Got it.
displaying each department detail against each employee. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. See, these
Yeah.
two
Got it.
employees these two employees belongs to same department, sales department, right?
Yeah.
So these two are having the same department. That is not wrong, right?
Yeah.
So we are just going by the matching records on a particular column. That's it.
Got it. Got
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, so since if you see the result set, we have got columns from both the tables. We have got all the columns from 2 tables. Okay. So what if you want columns from only 1 table? What if you want columns only from 1 table? Let's say you want columns only from EMP table. What you can do is EMP dot star from employee table, all columns.
All
Okay.
columns. Okay.
So if you execute this, you will get only the columns from employee table. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's say if you want columns from department table, you can use like this DPT dot star. Okay.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
So we will not be using the table names directly. So we will be using the alias names here. Okay. For EMP
Okay.
table, I'm giving the alias name as A. For department table, I'm giving the alias name as B.
B.
Okay. So
Yeah.
here also I have to change. A dot. Instead
B
of
dot.
department, I can use B. Now what will happen? So if I use A dot star, I'll get all the departments number, all the columns from employee table. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want only specific columns, you can use by using aliases, you can get them. So let's say from employee table, I want employee number, employee name. Okay. I can use A dot EMP number, comma, A dot E name, and I want department name from B table. What I can do?
Yeah.
B dot D name.
B. Got it.
Okay. So now I'll get data from both the tables, that too only selected columns. Clear?
Yeah.
So this is how we can get data from one or more tables. And this is about inner join. So remember one thing. So inner join will give you only matching records from both
Yeah.
the tables. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's talk about left join. So we can call it as left outer join or just left join. Okay. So
Okay.
both are same. Okay. Now the same way we are using, let's use the same query. But instead of inner join, we will write left join.
Left join.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's see what is the results that we have. So now we have got all the 16 records.
Yeah.
So whenever we did inner join, we have got only 14 records. But when I do this left join, I'm getting all the 16 records. Why? Because left join will give you all the records from the left table. Left table as in the first table.
Yeah.
So this is our first table. EMP is our first table, left table. Okay. And DEPT is our right table.
Right table.
Okay. Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
So in left join, so we will get all the records from left table. Okay. And
Okay.
only the joining records from right table. Only the matching records from right table.
Okay.
But in inner join, we get only the matching records from both the tables.
Yeah.
But in left join, we will get all the records from left table and only the matching records from right table.
Right table. Yeah.
Okay.
If it is not matching, it will automatically consider as null.
Yes. See, for 50, we don't have a match in the department table, right?
Yeah.
50,
So the value
50 we don't have a record. So that's why it is displaying everything as null.
Null.
But
Okay.
we will get all the records from A table, left
Yeah.
table. Okay. We have got all the records, all the 16 records, right?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Difference between the inner join and left join.
Yeah. Yeah.
So in inner join, we will get only the matching records. But in left join, we will get all the records from left table and only the matching records from right table. Clear? So everything will be null here. So, but if you want to see only, if you don't want to see, if you want to see only the non-matching records, so how will you get it here? So last 15 and 16 records are non-matching records, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to see only them, so how will you do? So simply we can write a where condition here. Where B dot, see any column, all the 3 columns are null right here.
Yeah.
You can take any column. B dot DEPT number is null.
Null.
You know this operator, right? Yesterday we have discussed it.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Where B dot department number is null. Now you will get only the non-matching records, which are not available in
B table.
department table. Yeah, that's B table.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to see only the matching records, you can use is not null. Okay. Is not null is opposite and to is null. Okay. If you do this, you will get only the matching records like inner join.
Yeah.
if you see, we have got only 14 records again. Okay,
Yes, yeah.
clear?
Yes, yeah.
Any doubts here?
No, no, yeah.
Okay. So let's talk about the right join. So you might have got an idea about right join. So it is opposite to left join. In right join, so we'll get all the records from right table and only the matching records from
Left table.
left table. Yes. So if you see, now also we have got on how many records? 14 records. So don't you think we should get 16 records here instead of 14?
Yeah.
So do you also think the same? Should
Yes,
we get
yes.
16 records? So how is that? So why do you think we should get 16 records?
Because we doesn't have matching records.
You want to see the data set?
Yeah.
So this is our data set and we are doing a right join here. Yes. So why do you think we should get 16 records instead of 14?
I think the numbers are not matching.
Which numbers?
Department number in 15 and 16.
Yeah, 15 and 16 are not matching. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
It will not consider that lines.
it will not consider. So that's why we are getting 14, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm asking is, so do you think we should get 16 or 14? Which one is correct?
14 is correct.
14
Because
is correct, right?
Yeah, because that values are not matching, right? So
yeah,
it will not consider.
According to right join, what should we get? We should get all the records from right table and only matching records from left table, right?
Yeah.
See, all the records we have match for 10, we have match for 20, we have match for 30, we have match for 40. So till 40, everything is available in employee table, right?
Yeah.
So there is no question of non-matching records, right?
Yeah,
so
because B table
automatically
is
15, 16 will be eliminated,
yes, yeah, got it.
right? But whenever we are doing the left join, so these two things will come up. 15 and 16 will come up. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me show you. Should have another table department. So what right join? So only all the records from right table, only the matching records from left table.
Left table, yeah.
Is it clear?
Clear. The right table will take only the matching records only, but the left table will take all the records.
Yes, because whenever we were using left join, on the left table, we had some extra records.
Yeah.
But whenever we are using right join, the right table doesn't have any extra records. It has all the matching records only.
Yes.
Okay.
Got it, yeah.
Full outer join. So this is about full join.
Yeah.
So do you get any doubts here by seeing the result set?
Hello.
Yeah. So you're seeing the result set of full order join. So do you see any doubts? Do you have any doubts here?
No, sir. Now the full join will
Full
display
join
all
will
the
give you everything from all
everything.
the
Yeah.
records. Okay. Let's say this data set resembles to left join. Okay. But
Yes.
it is not actually. So let's say if the detail department table also had some extra records, so it will also be shown here. Like all the columns from A will be null, and the department number will be having 70, some department name and some location. Okay.
Yeah.
So it is the combination of both left and right outer joins. Okay. It
Yeah.
will display all the records.
The values are however it is, but the full join will
See,
show all the records.
so till here they are all matching records, right?
Yeah.
15 and 16
Not
records
matching.
are coming from whenever we do left join. So these two records will show up. Okay.
Yeah.
So in these two records, for columns from A, they'll have values, but for columns from B table, they'll have null values. Why? Because there is no match. Okay, right?
Yeah. Yes, yeah.
But so let's say in department number, we have another department with the department number 70. Okay.
Okay.
Just suppose that. Okay. So that record also will come here. For that 70 record, for that 70 department number, since the employee number table doesn't have a match, so all the columns from employee table will be null. Okay.
Okay.
And the 17th column would be department number 70, department name, some IT, location is some New York. Okay.
Okay.
So here everything would be null.
Null. Got
If
it. Got it.
there was an extra record in department number. But in full join, we will get all the records. We will get the matching records. We will get the non-matching from left. We will get the non-matching from right. Everything will get.
Okay.
Okay. Clear about full order join?
Yes, yeah.
So another one is cross join. So unlike the other joins, cross join doesn't need a joining condition. So this is the joining condition, right?
Yeah.
So this joining condition is not required for a cross join. Okay. So here what happens is it will just match every record in first table to the every record in the second table.
Second tip. Okay.
Whether it is matching or not matching doesn't matter. Okay. Every record in table A will be matched to every record in table B. So if you see the first record will have 4 matches. The second record again will have 4 matches. The third record again will have 4 matches. Okay.
Yeah.
So it doesn't need a joining condition here. Based on one column we were joining, right? But in cross join, we don't need such condition. It will directly join every record with every other record in the second table. Right?
Okay.
So how many records we had in the table A? 16. How many records we had in the table B? 4.
4.
So if you see the total number of records when I do the cross join, it is 64. That
Yeah.
means it will just multiply 16 into 4. We'll get 64 records.
Yeah.
Okay. Why? Because every record in the first table will be matched with the every record in second table. Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So this is about joins.
The cross join will multiple all the matching records, right?
It's not about multiply. It will join every record in the first table with the every record in the second table.
Okay.
See, let me show you. Don't get confused. See, if you see here, let's talk about the first record in the employee table. Okay.
Yeah.
So usually we will be doing, we will be having a joining condition, right? So our joining condition is based on the department table from both the tables. Okay,
Okay.
right? So let's consider the first record. What is the department number here?
40.
Does 40 department number has a match in the second table or not?
Yeah.
It has a match, right?
Yes.
So it has a match. So how many records I'll get now? How many? One record, right?
Yeah.
So this whole records, this employee table, and in the last three columns, these three values will be displayed, right? So
Yeah.
what is happening? We are getting only one record, the whole record, right?
Yeah.
That is in normal joins. But in cross join, what happens is it does we are not checking the department numbers here. Okay, we don't have joining conditioning in cross join. So what it will do, it will just match this first record with the first
On
record,
this. Okay.
and again the first record with the second record, and again the first record with the third record,
Got record.
and again first record with the fourth record. So how
Oh.
many records have you got? For only for
Four.
the first record in first table,
Four.
you have got 4 matches, right?
So all 14 records, we will get 4 records.
All 16 records, we will get 4 records.
4 records. Got it, sir.
Clear?
Yeah.
So that's why we'll get 16 into 4, 64 records.
Yes, got it.
Okay. Okay. So now let's talk about set operators. So we're having union, union all. Let's set. Let's talk about union operator. So what union does is it will be used to combine data from 2 different data sets, okay, with equal number of columns. Okay. So 2 data sets as in 2 tables. Okay. So if you want to combine data from 2 data sets, so we can use union operator.
Union. Okay.
So what does join do? So join also does the same thing, right?
Yeah.
So how do you think join also does the same thing?
Because join will join all the records. All the
Joining
tables.
condition. So we are just joining the tables. So we are just getting the equivalent record from the second table, right?
Yeah.
Based on the joining condition, we are just getting the equivalent one record from the other table. Is it?
Yeah.
But in the unions, so what union does is it will combine the 2 data sets. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see how it will work. Select star from EMP union. Select star from EMP underscore duplicates. Let's talk about union all first. So how many records does EMP table is having? 16.
16.
How
Yeah.
about this table? EMP duplicate. This is having 15, right? So
Yeah.
I'm just doing union all here. So how many records I've got? You see here.
Yeah.
The bottom right, it will show you. This is 31 records we have got, right?
Yeah.
So what did it do? It just added up the 2 data sets.
Okay.
But in joining condition, what will happen? We will still get the same 16 records, and it will show whether it has a match or not. That's it.
Yeah.
But it will not add up the two data sets. It is just adding the data sets. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Union is used to combine data between two data sets with equal columns. Okay.
Okay.
So let's say of see in the second table, I'm taking only two columns here. Okay. Instead of all the columns, I'm taking only two columns and I'm trying to do an union all here. What did I get? I'm getting an error.
Yeah.
What does it say? Union, intersect, or except operators must have equal number of expressions in their target list. Expressions as in columns. They
Okay.
should have equal number of columns to be able to perform these operations. So this table is giving me 7 columns. This table is giving me only 2 columns.
Yeah.
I'm trying to do a union all on these two tables. So these two tables are having different number of columns, right?
Yeah.
So that's why I'm getting an error. Let's say if I consider all the columns, so this table also having 7. So now it is working, right?
Yeah.
So till 16, it is from the first table, and after 16, it is from the
Second table.
second table. Okay. So let's say here also I'll take 7 tables. Okay. First I'll take e name, e number, e number, EMP number is it? EMP number, GR, job, salary, commission. Yeah. So now I have taken the same number of columns again, but I did not take star. I have just written the column names. Instead of star, I have written the column names, but I've written all the column names. Okay. Let's see if it works. It did not work again. It has thrown me an error.
Yeah.
What is the error?
Conversion.
It is a conversion error. Conversion failed from converting varchar to Smith. So why is it trying to convert the Smith string to value int? Because if you see in the first table, the first column is employee number, right?
Yeah.
Which is an integer. Okay.
Yeah.
But in the second table, what is the first column? E-name.
E-name. Yeah.
What it is trying to do? It is trying to add up this column values with the E-name column values. Okay. So there is a data type mismatch, right? The first table is having integer, the second table is having
varchar.
So there is a data type mismatch. So it won't work, right? Yes. But instead of the string, if you keep the any integer type values, it will work. Okay. So two things you have to remember while using the set operators. The column numbers should be, both the tables should have equal number of columns. Okay. And the table and the columns which we are trying to add up should have the same data types. Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
If you want to add up the E number, which is an integer, the equivalent column, that is in the following table also, the first column should be an integer column.
Yeah.
Okay. Clear?
Clear.
So if I'm doing it here, so it will work. Why? Because again, the order of the columns is same. The first column is employee number, second column is e-name, third column is job, fourth column is manager. I mean, the data types are also matching, and it has the same number of columns also, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So if you see, it just added up the two data sets. 16 plus 15, we have got 31 records. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's see how union works. So union has given me only 21 records. But union all has given me 31 records. Okay. So why is
Yeah.
it? Because so union will eliminate the duplicate records. Okay.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Yes. Hello. Hello.
Yes, John.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry, Suresh, but I'm going to call.
Fine, John, no problem.
Okay. So what are we discussing? We're discussing union, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So if you see, union or will not delete the duplicates. Okay. Let's say in both the tables in employee duplicate and employee. So this record is same.
Yeah.
The first record is same. Smith Clerk 7902 hire date, salary, commission, everything is same. So in union all, whenever we do the union all, so it will not delete the duplicate. So if you see here, again it has given the same record in the 17th also. Okay.
Okay.
It will in union all, it will not delete the duplicates, but in union all, it will eliminate the duplicates. You won't see the same record again here. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear,
Difference
John.
between
Only the
union and
particular.
union. It will delete the union all will not delete. Union will delete.
Got it, John.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we have another one, intersect. So intersect means, so only the records which are common in both the tables will be given. Okay. In
Okay.
intersect. Okay.
Got it,
Hello.
John. Yeah.
So only the common records in both the tables will be shown when you're using intersect.
Yeah, it's opposite to union, right?
Yes. Only the duplicate records will be shown.
Yeah.
So the last one is except. So what it will show is the records which are available in the first table and which are not available in the second table.
Okay.
Okay. So if you see here, what are the reports? We have got this 2K Stephen, right?
Yeah.
So that is available in the employee table. That is second table.
Yeah.
The same 2K Stephen, which that is not available in the employee duplicate table, right?
Yeah.
So those kind of records it will show, which is available in the first table and which are not available in the second table. Okay. Only those kind of records will be shown in the except operator.
Okay.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, John.
If you want the records from the second table and which are not available in the second table, you can just change the table name. Now what it will do, it will show the records from the employee duplicate table and which are not available in the first table. Okay.
Okay.
So you should not check only for one value. You should check for the whole record. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So this is about joins and operators. So tomorrow we will discuss about functions. So tomorrow is Sunday. So I'm not sure if I'm not available. Okay.
Yeah.
So if not tomorrow,
Okay.
we'll connect on Monday. Okay.
Sure, John.
Okay. Fine. Bye. Thank you, Suresh.
Yes, yeah. Bye. Thank you, John.